future code.
The while loop. Repeat until...
Hey kids! Sareen, have you ever done something over and over again? Like jumping up and down until you get tired?
Ha! Totally! Sometimes I jump so much I'm out of breath.
Well, today we're going to teach a computer how to repeat an action again and again until a certain condition is met. We'll do that using a super important command called while. This means as long as the number is less than or equal to 5, keep counting. I mean, it starts at 1, then adds 1 each time and keeps printing the number until it gets to 5.
Ugh. So it counts by itself? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? That's so cool! Okay, let me try. N equals 1, while N is less than 5. Print N.
Uh-oh, here's a problem. We didn't tell the computer to add to n, so n stays 1 forever. That means the condition is always true and the loop never ends.
Like when I don't know when to stop jumping?
Exactly. We call it an infinite loop. But don't worry. If your program gets stuck like this, just click the red stop button in Tony. Or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to stop it. Let me give you another example. Answer equals quote unquote, while answer is not equal yes. Answer equals input. Do you want to continue? Yes / no. This means ask the question over and over again until the user says yes.
Oh, so it's like saying jump and I keep jumping until I say stop myself?
Exactly. The computer keeps asking and asking and asking until it hears yes. Then it stops. Ta-da! Time for a game. I'm thinking of a number. Can you guess what it is? Secret number equals 7. Guess equals 0. While guess is not equal secret number, guess equals int input. What number am I thinking of? Print. Yay! You got it right.
Yeah! So it keeps asking until I guess right? It's like a puzzle. Yay!
Awesome job! Today you learned how to use while to make something repeat until a condition is met. That means your program can wait, ask questions, and even make games. Now imagine mixing while with turtle. You can draw amazing repeating shapes like flowers and stars, all with code. Next time, we're going to draw with loops. Do you think we can make a full flower with just 4 lines of code? Let's find out together.